still umgeben, behütet und getröstet wunderbar. So will ich diese Tage mit euch leben und mit euch gehen in ein neues Jahr.
Surrounded by such true and gentle powers, so wondrously consoled and without fear, thus will I spend with you these final hours, and then together enter a new year. Thy gentle powers lovingly surrounded, with patience will endure, let come what may. God is with us at night and in the morning, and certainly on every future day. The worries of the old year still torment us, we're troubled still by long and wicked days. O Lord, give our frightened souls the healing, for which you've chastened us in many ways. By gentle powers lovingly surrounded, with patience will endure, let come what may. God is with us at night and in the morning, and certainly on every future day. And though you offer us the cup so heavy, so painful it's the most that we can stand, now faltering with thanks we will accept it, and take it as a gift from your good hand. By gentle powers lovingly surrounded, with patience will endure, let come what may. God is with us at night and in the morning, and certainly on every future day. And should it be your will once more to grant us to see the world and to enjoy the sun, then we will all the past events remember, and finally our life with you is one. By gentle powers lovingly surrounded, with patience will endure, let come what may. God is with us at night and in the morning, and certainly on every future day.
Gott ist mit uns am Abend und am Morgen und ganz gewiss an jedem